Right, I'm going to do another accent challenge today. And let's see what was this clicker thing. And I can't believe you did that. What were you thinking? Okay, and the first character is Leeds. It's not a character, it's an accent, obviously. Right, but do correct me if I get these wrong, all right? And tell me how I can make it better. All right, that's good. That's the whole point of these things. It's for fun and to improve. Right, Leeds, they show. Don't they say show up there in Leeds? Right. I can't believe you did that. What were you thinking? I don't know. I don't know. Is that right? I don't know. Can't believe you did that. No, it's probably not right, but what were you thinking? I don't know if that's too strong. I don't know. Next. Cockney. All right, mate. Oh, I can't believe you did that. What was you thinking? Oh, I can't believe you did that. What was you thinking? What were you thinking? Well, what were you thinking about? I don't know, mate. How's that one? I apologise now. Right, photocopier. I'm not going to go for Geordie. I'll go for Shields because I know a lot more people in Shields than that. Right, okay. Photocopier. Howie. Howie. I can't do it for laughing. Okay. I can't believe you did that. Oh, that's terrible. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What were you thinking? That's shocking. I know it's so bad. Okay, photocopier. I can't believe. No, I specifically apologise to Jamie if you're watching this. I can't. It's just gone. Photocopier. I can't believe you did that. You wouldn't think I lived in Sunderland for 4 years, but anyway, I never picked up the accent. I got cheers, champion, and Hawaii. Those three things are there, but nothing else. I suppose if I worked on it, it'd be all right. But it's pretty shambolic, isn't it? I can't believe you did that. What were you thinking? I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, dearie me. Yeah. I can't believe you did that, Bobby. What were you thinking? I tell you what. I can't believe you did that. What were you thinking? That's not really that hard, is it? Really, I suppose we could go for a Morningside more of that, a different part of Edinburgh. I can't believe you did that. What were you thinking? I suppose that was there. I have not watched The Simpsons since the 90s, so is all that I know. I'm not even going to attempt that. Yeah, I know it's a apology. No, I have no idea. Um, Sorry, guys. I know. I guess it's like, that's not a knife. That's my pre-life noise for it, and I had to put another shrimp on the barbie. Those kind of things. Right, I can't believe you did that. What were you thinking? Oh, I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking, mate. Oh, I can't believe you did that. What were you thinking? All right, tell me if that's shocking or not. All right. Again, this is just for fun. All right. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Which one? Old or young? Obi-Wan Kenobi. Which one? So, hello there. Hello there. I can't believe you did that, Anakin. What were you thinking? He was supposed to destroy the Sith, not join them. That's probably pretty pants. Hello there. These aren't the droids you're looking for. I could do this one. I can't believe you did that. What were you thinking? I don't know. No, that's not good. See, this is the fun thing about this one is you don't get a chance to practice. So if you practice them, you can probably do them. But the fun of this is doing it with not practicing. Mafia. Am I allowed to do this? Don't come after me if I get this wrong. I'm saying, hey, forget about it. It's like I can't. Hey, guy, I can't believe you did that. What was you thinking? What was you thinking? I can't believe you did that. I don't know. Hey, forget about it. Oh, okay. Right, I can do my Bob and Doug McKenzie. Want to take off, hey, you hoser? Okay, I can't believe you did that, Bob. Yeah, or Doug, what were you thinking? I don't know. Take off, you hoser. Okay, let's bring that down another little comedic Canadian. I can't believe you did that, eh? I don't know what you're thinking. I don't know what you're thinking about. There we go. Get that boat in there as well. Hey. All right. Oh, okay. Hey, boy. Oh, I can't believe you did that. Oh, what were you thinking? Oh, that's not too bad. Oh, yeah. West Coast. Which West Coast? West Coast of what? West Coast of Scotland. Aye. So you're thinking about that. Aye. So coming down the West Coast. That's it. So I can't believe you did that. No, not at all. What were you thinking about? I don't know. I can't believe you did that. What were you thinking? Of course, you could be like the West Coast of America. I don't know. Whatever, but I know there's loads of accents up the West Coast. I don't know which one they're talking about, like, I don't know. I can't believe you did that, man. What were you smoking? I don't know. It's like, okay, there we go. Hope you enjoyed.